artists, welcome to my channel. Today I got a Temu package and I'm so excited to open it. They are all under $10, so let's open it together. So we're going to start off with these beautiful markers. There were only $4.99, a good price for these markers, and they're color changing. So exciting, so vibrant. Here I am opening them. Let's test out a color. I'm going to pick purple because, you know, I love purple. That's the color I'm going to pick, and look at that. They have two brush heads. One of the heads are purple and one is white, but it has a pink bottom. Right here, I'm just going to test them out. Already on the page, you can see how vibrant those are, how cool they look. They're amazing. And I'm just going to get the other tip head and go over it and see what it does. That is so cool. It turns pink. That is amazing. And it's a white tip, so it does keep white, but turns the color into a different color. So cool. And when you just put it on blank paper, it doesn't show. So weird and so cool. Over here, I made a little drawing of a tree with like some cool kind of like colors onto it. And I'm going to just add some more details and stuff. But these markers are incredible so far. They make it look so cool and add such good detailed texture. These markers were a score. Next up, we have these stamp markers, which were really cool, I thought. And they were only $5.49. These are so cool patterns, so many patterns, and so many colors. And we're going to open up that pink one. I think I'm going to shake it before I start it. Let's see. So it started a little harder to get it out at first, but once going over it and practicing it and stuff, it gets better. So here's that design. You can use them for notes, which are really cool, for like math and notebook ideas, or even just school and regular doodling for your notebook. Next up, we have these cool watercolor pencils. These were only $3.49. Already you can see how vibrant they are, and these look really cool. So let's test them out. So I'm just going to grab the purple one and just draw a little heart to just get the gist of it and see what it looks like. I decided to make a drawing with it, and I made this pumpkin pie, which is really cute. Next up, we have this white marker, and I'm going to show you in a second. Look at that. So cute. And when you open it up, it's a fine line marker. So good. This incredible marker was only $1.99. I say it's a great deal. I used it to add some details to my drawing and add some cool highlights to it. I also added it to my skeleton I'm making, which helped with the teeth glisten. Really cool, and I say it's worth it to buy. Next up, we have this internal pencil. I was like, internal? Let's try it out. So this was only $1.99. I say it's a great deal, so let's test this thing out. Works just like a normal pencil. It's really good too. So I recommend buying it, and it comes with so many different tips you could add on if you run out of it. So I'm just gonna see how it works on my skeleton. It has a cool texture to it. It's like any other normal pencil, but instead it's a nice grip to it and really fancy. Next up, we have some blending stumps, which I personally is my favorite for drawing because you don't get your finger dirty when rubbing it, and you can blend it perfect. So I'm just blending my skeleton nose, and remind you, this was only $1.99, a perfect score, and adding great detail to your drawing. This makes a great detail to this drawing. Makes it even scarier. Next, we have these rainbow color pencils. I didn't know these even existed. They were only $2.49. What a great deal. We'll have these markers work. They all add up individually with these colors by the tip. Next up, we have these really cute little scissors. They are a keychain. These are really cute. And you can press the button in the middle downward to close them. These were only $1.53. What a great deal. And you can see me cutting here. A little heart for you guys, for all my subs out there. Next up, we have this really cute eraser. It's purple, my favorite color, once again. And you can pull in the tab. You have to press and pull up the tab to make it expand. Now you could just see me erasing this heart. It works really, really good. And it was only $1.35 for the price. Such a good steal. Next up is one of my personal favorites, is a mechanical eraser pencil. I've never seen one of these, but when I started using this changed my drawing history life. This thing was only $4.99. A really amazing price for this, and works amazing to get those little spots that you don't want to ruin your drawing. Next up, we have another internal pencil, but this one is different. This one comes with so many color heads that you could twist in to make a colored pencil. This one was only $2.49, and it even comes with a basic head of the black. This one works just like the other internal pencil. It's just love this color. Right here, you could just unscrew it. And once you unscrew it, you could insert the other in. I'm just going to pick a random color from the bag. And I'm going to go with orange. So for Halloween. And we're just going to screw that in. And then it becomes a orange internal pencil. Look at that, so vibrant. This next one was a drawing life changer. These are really cool brushes that you could just brush away when you erase, so you don't get anything or smudge anything onto your hand. This was only $3.49 for 3. Amazing price. I love these. Next up, we have this masking tape. I love to buy masking tape because it helps with my drawings. It helps keep them in order and stuff. But this one came with a pack of 3 for only $3.49. What a steal. Hold the tab here. And once that comes out, you just rip it. And then you add it into your drawing. So then when you're shading around it, it won't get onto the part that you don't want it to go. Just like here. Ah, so satisfying. Next up, we have these really cool water brush tips, which were so amazing when I found them. And these were only $1.37, and they come with 3 water brushes. All you have to do is unscrew the cap and run it under water. Then get your paint palette of watercolors and just hold it until the water drops. Since this fall, I decided to draw a little pumpkin, paint a little pumpkin with the watercolor brush. This was really cool because you kept just dipping it in, and you don't have to even dip it into water again. And it's really easy to clean. You just put it under the water, and then voila, there you have it. Last but not least, we have these really cool markers, and they are really, really shiny and silvery. Let's open them up. We're gonna grab this pink one here, shake it up a little, and pop that open. And it has like a Posca marker tip, so you just gotta press it down a little until you get all that paint out. Already, you can see how cool those are. Those are like those viral YouTube markers that are everywhere for calligraphy. These were only $5.85. What a great steal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. All these products are under $10 and all of them are in the link down below in my description. Have a wonderful day, artists. Bye!